2022 230 Sunliner. Black sapphire exterior. Power bimini. Convenient fender clips, keeping your fenders at the right height. Fender storage. This pontoon is equipped with a 150 horsepower Mercury motor, ski tow, rear facing speakers. This is a Tri-Toon. Docking lights. Boat is equipped with 2 large loungers in the front. Movable cup holders. Does have recessed cup holders with USB ports. Armrests. Storage under all your seats. This Tri-Toon is equipped with in-floor storage. More storage under the helm. Simrad Ghost 7 chart plotter. Wireless phone charger. JL Audio Bluetooth radio. This Tri-Toon is rated for 13 people. Side controls. This is a single laundry unit. Face forward or backwards. Once again, a power bimini. USB ports in the rear. Cooler storage. Drains out of the boat. And your table. This does turn into a rear facing laundry. This Tri-Toon comes with its cover. So 2022 Harris 230 Sunliner single launder Tri-Toon.